the Dog Points, the home of the internet's cutest, funniest, and most lovable dog ever. Today video is going to be completely different because the dog you are to be see are not just funny, they are the pure cheers wrapped in far seriously. Some dogs behave less like pets and more like teeny roommates who forgot to pay rent but still control the whole house. And trust me, by the ending of this video you be asking yourself one important question: how are dogs this adorable and this wrapped at the same time? Now let's start with one of the funniest things dogs do: pretending they are invisible. Some dogs genuinely believe that if they hide their face, human cannot see the rest of their body. You see a giant dog hiding behind teeny curtain with half his body completely outside. Meanwhile, the dog is sitting there proudly thinking he become a secretary spy. Dogs honestly have the confidence of movie villains with the intelligence of sleepy potatoes. And then there are dogs who become extremely emotional over the most random things ever. Some dogs get attached to the one specific human in the house and suddenly become their full-time bodyguard. Go to the kitchen, dog follows. Sit on the couch, dog follows. Move on the inch, dog immediately stands up too. It's like having a fluffy little security camera that also wants snakes every 5 minutes. And honestly, nobody in the world judges human more than dog. Have you ever noticed your dog silently staring at you while you do something weird, eating the midnight, dog watching, dance alone, dog watching, talk to yourself, dog definitely judging you. And sometimes dogs give human looks so seriously that it feels like they disappointing in your life choices. But the funniest thing ever might be when dogs suddenly get too comfortable in the house. So some dogs stop acting like guests completely and start believing like kings, talking over couches, stealing blankets, stretching across beds like they own property worth millions. Teeny dogs somehow take the maximum amount of the space possible while sleeping. Human end up balancing on one corner of the bed while the dogs sleep peacefully in superstar position. And why are the dogs always so competitive for attention? The second you start pitting another dog, suddenly your own dog appears for now where nowhere and acting emotional, betrayed. Some pushes their face between human and other pets. Some climb directly into the laps and some stare dramatically like they just experienced heartbreak. Dogs truly believe love should belong only to them. And speaking of the drama, dogs are probably the most overconfident animals on the earth. Some dogs bark aggressively at the huge trunks passing outside the house like they are the protecting an entire city. Meanwhile, one teeny bug flying near them can send them running, always in complete panic. Dog switches between fearless warrior and scared baby every 10 seconds. And another hilarious thing in the how dog react when they hear the certain word human can casually say, park outside or treat, and suddenly dogs completely lost control, ears up and tail spinning, running around like teeny far rocket powered by happiness. Dogs honestly make excitement look like a superpower. But one thing nobody talks about enough is how incredible noises dogs are. Dogs needs to know everything happening around them. Open a bag, dog arrive immediately. Open the fridge, dogs appear magically. Wrappers, anything suspicious, dogs start investigating. Some dogs even inspect grocery bags like professional detectives, search for hidden treasures. And honestly, the funniest dog movement happen when they are accidentally embarrassed themselves. Some dogs bark loudly at another dog through a window, then forgot the window exists and walk directly into the glass. Immediately silence, full confusing, looking around like the universe betrayed them personally. Dogs truly think acting normally quickly while erase embarrassment forever. And then there are the dogs who absolutely love stealing human spot. You stand up for your warm comfortable seat for 2 seconds and suddenly your dog is already there looking completely relaxed. Then they stare at you innocent like, oh, where you sitting here? Dog honestly run homes like they are the fluffy bosses. But maybe the cutest thing in the world is how dogs celebrate seeing the people they love. Human can live for a short time and return to the happiest welcome ever. Tail wagging wildly, teeny happy, jumping, excited, spinning, bringing toys as a gift. Dogs make humans feel important in way nothing else can. And honestly, maybe that the real reason dogs are the so special. They do not try to impress anyone, they just live happily, love deeply, create chaos everywhere, and somehow make ordinary life feel magical. And honestly, one of the weirdest and funniest thing about dog is how they suddenly become completely obsessed with one random habit for absolutely no reason. Some dogs spend week carrying the same toy everywhere like it their emotion support potato. Other becomes deeply attached to one exact corner of the house and sit there staring dramatically every single day like retired old man thinking about life. Dogs truly create their own strange little routine and somehow never get bored of them. And then there are the dogs who absolutely love watching humans clean, not helping, just watching you sweep the floor and suddenly your dog follows every movement like a suspicious little manager inspection your work. Some dogs even attack brooms and mops like they're dangerous enemies invading the house. Teeny warriors protecting the family from cleaning equipment. And honestly, nothing is the funnier than dogs trying to understand human technology. So dogs hear sounds coming from phones or TVs and instantly start searching for the hidden person inside, barking behind the television, sniffing speakers, staring at the video call with completely confusion. Dogs really believe teeny humans are trapped inside electronic boxes. And speaking of the confusion, dogs somehow always get shocked by their own facts. Yes, this actually happens. A dog lets out one teeny fart and suddenly jump up looking around the suspicious like some else committed the crime. Some even run aloud for the smell teeny created. Dog honestly spend half their life confusing their. Another hilarious thing in how dogs react to hate sunglasses or new clothes. Human wear only slightly different outfit and suddenly some dogs act like a stranger enter the house barking nervously, little heads staring dramatically like, who are you and what have you done to my human? Dogs truly struggle with unexpected fashions changing. But maybe the funniest thing ever is when dogs become overly dramatic about teeny injuries. A dog bumping lightly